This isn't just welding, this is precision craftsmanship. Using the GTAW process, gas tungsten arc welding and SMAW process shielded metal arc welding, we're laying down Inconel, a high-performance alloy known for extreme heat and corrosion resistance. Notice the steady hand, the perfect arc length. This is where skill meets science. Whether you're in aerospace, nuclear, or high-temp industries, Inconel welding demands perfection, because failure isn't an option. Like, share, subscribe and comment if this weld passed your inspection.